Hey everyone, welcome back on Weekly Crypto Review, episode 105. It's Sunday again, we started in February. As you can see, we have the Bitcoin chart on weekly. Hey everyone, on weekly I think that's the best to start a weekly crypto review live stream. That's the best time frame and the best chart. Hey Cătălin, hey Cristian, hey Azov, Peep and everyone. Okay. So, what do we have new from last week? Last week we had a red one, and I said if we'll trade below this low, 96,300, that will confirm the 3-bar fractal top. Well, we have that 3-bar fractal top. You can see we confirmed and we dumped. In the same time, we also retested some highs, 102. So for me, we are still in this range, but we have confirmed 3-bar fractal top for the moment. If I put an indicator here, RSI for example, you can see high, lower high, confirm bearish divergence here. Even if I'll draw the line, you can see we closed below. So we have a confirmed bearish divergence on RSI. How will close this week? I don't know. I'll be honest. I don't know how will close. Probably similar. In the middle of the range will be the best. Yeah. Bad location to do anything on Bitcoin here. Middle of the range. Indecision candle this week. You can see this is a indecision one. Indeed, we confirmed the 3-bar fractal top. But we are still in a range. In the same time, bearish scenario. Let's take the bearish scenario. We can touch at any point in time a 38.2 retracement. That's 86. And at any point in time, we can see a retest, Wyckoff check of the previous high here. For me, it's 72 area, which it's a long reload zone here. We saw every bull cycle, we saw 30-35% retracements. Is this time different? Well, I don't know. It's possible at any point in time to get that retracement. What will happen with altcoins? Well, you have my guess. They'll dump. The strong ones will bounce really nicely. The weak ones or meme coins could disappear. And hopefully, most of them will go to zero. Yeah, we have a lot of pump fan coins. That's the biggest problem. Well, you saw what happens with them. They enter in the market, they will pump a little bit. If they'll pump, 55-60% of them, they don't even pump. They are getting created. The guy who creates the coin buys a small amount and that's it. The coin is there, but well, it's just a number. 0.02 Solana to create a coin, it's easy peasy. You can do that over and over again. Yeah? But I don't consider that real coins. They are just something. I don't know. They are in the blockchain, but they are dead from the beginning. Some of them will pump, some of them will hit radium, some of them will go to 1 million market cap. Well, if reached, I don't know, at least 1 million market cap, then we can consider them as a shitcoin, as a meme coin. But below that, I don't know if it's realistic to consider them, to put them in the numbers. A lot of people think this time is different. Yeah? Every time is different, actually. This time what we have new, we have tons of altcoins. Specifically pump, fun, and a lot of altcoins. Most of them, they'll do what they do every time. They'll go to zero. How many shitcoins we had in 2017? Not as many we have now, but most of them, well, they are close to zero. In 2021, again, tons of coins never pumped. They never did anything. This time we have a lot more. Same idea. They will die. That doesn't mean we cannot select coins that they are on exchanges already, that they have a product, that they are trying to deliver something. or that the strong coins will not pump. No, in that sense, I don't think it's different. In that sense, I think some coins, it's impossible, all of them, but some coins will pump and they will pump really nicely. And we have some coins in this list, for example. Okay, we have in this list here some coins, just some of them. Not the best ones, just some coins I selected because they had a weekly W and they had the retest. Well, people, I know that the sentiment is down. I don't know how to say it. Nothing is different, people. We had the same sentiment last cycle. People forget about it. Some people are new here and they don't know. Remember what sentiment we had in the COVID low when Bitcoin dropped from 14K to 4K. Nothing is different. Yeah? Don't think, well, this time is different. Yeah, indeed, it's harder because we have a lot of coins. It's harder because we have the institutions and they are fucking around with our minds. But to say, well, this time only Bitcoin, I heard that discussion multiple times and doesn't end well. I heard that discussion about Ethereum flipping Bitcoin and that doesn't end well also. I heard the discussion about Ethereum going to zero. Again, and doesn't end well. Let's be balanced. Let's make some plans. If you don't have already, let's respect the plans. Don't think this time, well, only Bitcoin. Well, when the smart money, let me give you an example. When the smart money, they want to download to sell their bags on Bitcoin and buy altcoins, what will be the better for them? To have a lot of stupid people thinking that Bitcoin is everything and they'll buy Bitcoin at the highs, or to the stupid people to be already in altcoins before them? What do you think they like to see? They have the power to create panic. They have the power to manipulate the masses. So when Bitcoin is at the local top, they'll definitely say, well, no, oh, Bitcoin only. Altcoins are shit. Sell your shit coins for my Bitcoin. They'll sell you the Bitcoin. They'll buy altcoins. They'll pump the altcoins and then they'll say it again. Altcoins are everything. Bitcoin is shit. And you'll just chase exactly in the wrong direction. Bitcoin is at 100K. It's fighting that level, which is nice, it's strong, but it's not a level I want to buy. I don't want to touch Bitcoin at that level. Altcoins, if you compare them with Bitcoin, at the lows of the lows. If it's a good moment to buy altcoins, I think now it's the moment to buy them. So, do whatever you want. It's your money. I'm not a financial advisor. But seeing so many people panic selling because, well, this time is different, doesn't usually end well for them. I saw even acceptable investors. I'm not calling them traders. They are not traders. But acceptable investors with 1 or 2 cycles in the crypto market, where I sold my Solana because I think that Solana is at a local top and maybe I'll be sorry. I booked a 10x. Okay, you booked a 10x. There's nothing bad with it. But I don't think you did the smartest decision ever. If you sold your Solana in cash for some altcoins that are at the bottom or to hunt other opportunities because that's your plan, okay, do it. But selling and staying in cash because you think this is the top, maybe you're right, maybe you're not, I don't know. I'm not selling anything, people. And to be clear, I posted on Twitter, I posted on Discord. For me, it's only one option. 0 or hero. It's that simple. If everything will go to 0, so be it. Then it's 0. If market will pump, then it's hero. I have my plans and you know them. I have the road to financial freedom, last chance challenge, For the premium members, we have dollar cost averaging plans. We have a lot of plans on higher time frame. And I don't change anything. I made the plan. I made my decisions. And now I'm just following the plan. Changing the plan in the middle of the road is never a good idea. So if everything will go to zero, well, you know what will happen. I'm buying at these levels. I'm not selling. I'm not panicking. I'm getting a bit too greedy in my own good, I think. Yeah? It's what I'm doing with my own money. I'm not suggesting you to do the same. Everyone is telling you when you join crypto, don't invest the money you cannot afford to lose. Simple. If you respect that advice, you'll not panic. If you are over-invested, then you'll panic. Okay? It's totally up to you what you do with your money, but I'll be honest, for me it will be so bad to sell the bottom again, will hurt so bad that I cannot conceive to do something like that. Maybe I'm wrong, it's possible, but I cannot look at myself in the mirror and say, stupid fuck, you sold the bottom again. No, I cannot do that. So, I'll respect my plan, zero or hero, and that's it. So to be clear, what's my position on this dump and the sentiment? And even if you want to exit the crypto market, you don't fucking exit the crypto market in a bull market in a bad sentiment at 30 or 40% crypto sentiment. You are trying to exit in greed, not in the red. Okay? So when you see a bounce and you see the sentiment is on the greed side again for a couple of days, then you can decide to exit. Now, again, stupid decision to exit when everything is at the lows. People, that's my rant, that's my position. I said it multiple times. This time I was a bit more clear. It's possible, anything is possible in crypto. That's my position. That's how I'm approaching the market and what I'll do from now on. Respecting my fucking plans. Yeah. No influencer made me profitable. No influencer made me money. My plans, respecting my plans, made me a lot of money. And keep me out of the stupid mistakes and so on. So I'll respect my plans and I'll live with the results. That's the idea. Decide for yourself, but after you decided, don't fucking change your mind in the middle of the road. When the sentiment is down, you want to sell. When the sentiment is greed for 1 week, you want to buy the top. Come on. Okay, let's go back on Bitcoin. My opinion here. We can dump. Pump chaser zone, 80k area, even retest of the old all-time high. But for the moment we are still in this range here. What I'm doing to protect my capital and my bags is if the market will bounce back at 100, 102, 106, 104 in this area, in the top of the range, I'll hedge my entire spot portfolio with a short on Bitcoin. Okay? Simple as that. I'll just hedge with a short on Bitcoin. In the market. No hedging other complicated ways. No. I'll calculate 1.5 my spot bags and I'll short on Bitcoin. That's my idea about the market. Hey Abdullah. Hey everyone. So that's my decision. That's my way of seeing the market. I'm not suggesting you to do the same. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't want to be a financial advisor. I'm just managing the community here. Everyone in Crypto Traders is free to post an idea, to discuss the idea. We have some gladiators that they have results and experience. You can look on their ideas, but nobody is telling you exactly what to buy, what to sell, what to do with your own money. It's your fucking decision. Take this responsibility for your decisions. You will never be rich if you don't start with that. Take responsibility for your decisions. Doesn't matter if they are good or they are bad. And not only in the financial markets, everywhere. You have to be responsible. Okay? If you did something, it's your decision and it's your responsibility. Don't try to blame someone else. Don't even think about that. It's a bad habit and will cost you dearly. As long as we are here and we didn't close below 90k, a weekly candle, daily candle, I still think we are in the range and we can go sideways or even pump to the highs. To protect, I'll hedge my portfolio when we reach, you can see we split this range in 4 parts. Yeah? Middle, 25, 50%, you can see here. This area is to hedge my portfolio. This area is to try to long the lower. In the middle is the area where you blab away, you do anything else, but you don't touch the market. That's the way I'm playing the range. I hope that helps. If you want to help us out, I posted the link on Discord already. Okay, I'll post it here also. Let's see if okay. Feel free to click on that link and repost on Twitter the link about this live stream. If we'll reach more people, maybe some of them will join us and they'll be serious and we can increase the community organically. So hit the like or don't hit the like, but please repost that tweet. Okay, that's Bitcoin on weekly. I could go on daily. And let's see what we have. Look at what we have on daily, people. 1, 2, 3, 4 days of nothing. Nothing. Up, down, and that's it. It's like the market wants to stay at 96. If we think on this dump, well, let's look on the other template. On daily. We had this dump. We had the pump. We had the dump again. Give me a W here. Give me a W. I'll be more than happy to long it. Look at it. I have the scenario right there waiting. And I'm waiting to play that game if I'll have the opportunity. Okay? Simple as that. We had the last dump here. Dump, pump, dump. Same idea. This week retest, it's a buying opportunity. Look at it. That's the area where I want to hunt a W, hunt long. And I made this scenario. Simple one. Break, retest, up, down, made a W, breakout, retest. That's our entry. Hopefully, we'll get that. Now, back on weekly, let's see how we have Ethereum here. Ethereum is the same like last week, okay? If we zoom out a little bit, we just touched 61.8 in the last dump. And now we should retest that week. Let's go on daily. And you can see. This candle, if you are a TA guy, if you are a trader, should tell you a ton of things. That should tell you something. If you go, you see that candle and you suspect something and you go and look for volumes and see who bought that dip, you'll understand. Everyone is scared about Ethereum going to zero. Some so-called investors said that, fuck it, I'm out from Ethereum, I'm in my vacation. Okay, it's up to you. And the institutions and the big money, they are buying. They bought this dip quite aggressively with big volumes. You think an institution will buy and will let the market go to zero? I don't think so. Trump fund is buying Ethereum. They are stupid. Imagine that there are some smart people there. One of them, all of us, we know that guy. All of us, we know that. That's a stupid guy. He never made a bad investment, a big one. He's untouchable so far. You think that guy is stupid? Well, I don't know if he's stupid, but I'll buy the W here if I'll get something like this. Honestly, I doubted that I'll get below 2,500. I think that they are just waiting to buy that level. I don't think I'll get my W here, but if I'll get it, I'll buy it. Okay, so that's Ethereum here. In my view, any dump, it's a buying opportunity. Let's look at the rest of the market. Bitcoin dominance, for example. People, look at the rejection. Let's put weekly back. What do you see? Let's hide all the drawings. This candle will close in 7 hours. What do you think this is? That's a continuation. That it's a possible top. That's an ugly rejection. You tell me. We should wait another week to see what will form a 3-bar fractal top. What could happen there? But look at that rejection, man. We have tons and tons of altcoins, and somehow Bitcoin dominance reached 64% and got rejected. Maybe you should think about a local top. Just maybe. I don't know. I'm just saying, you know, I'm just saying, I'm not just saying, I'm just looking to see what will happen here. If I'll see the Bitcoin dominance pumping back, you can see, I even set an alarm here. If we'll pump back at this area, I'll pay attention. I'll zoom in on lower time frame and I'll watch like a hawk for a 3-bar fractal top for an M or something. If we'll go back up, why? Look at what we did. Was a classic SFU, violent one, up, down, below that week. If we close below, then it's confirmed. Was an ugly rejection and most probably the top on Bitcoin dominance. What you can do, you can stay on 1 hour and wait for an M. You can go on 4 hours if you're a trader, but I think daily, weekly chart is the best. Let's take a look at Ethereum versus Bitcoin, but I want the higher time frame also. I want the weekly chart. So I'll see what we have here. Let's hide the drawings again. What do you see with this rejection here? What do you think that means? We can still stay here, but what could be a deviation? Well, if I'll put the ink back, you'll see I have a level there. If we'll close a candle, weekly candle, daily candle, but weekly is stronger, daily is next. Above 003, that was a deviation. And probably that was the bottom. We'll retest at some point, but that was it. This was the low. But I want to see the market closing above 003. It's that simple. So we have Bitcoin dominance, strong rejection. We have Ethereum versus Bitcoin, strong rejection. And we are bearish. I'm not referring to you, Crypto Traders Arena members. I'm not referring specifically to you because I know a lot of you have their bags full of altcoins waiting and waiting and waiting. I'm talking in general for the public. Most of Crypto Traders Arena people have their bags full of altcoins. Some people stay on the sidelines with tons of cash waiting to buy. I think it's the moment to think about it. If you want to get a bottom, it's time to start dollar cost averaging if you are not in already. My 2 cents, do whatever you want. But on weekly, this looks an ugly rejection. If I'll go on daily, similar. On daily, a stupid trader like me, I'm not a fan of this pattern, megaphone patterns. Actually, I hate this pattern. Why? It's hard to trade. It's hard to make money because it's too violent, it's too ugly. It goes to extremes, from lows to highs, and if you manage to get an entry and you can see the megaphone, then that's your life trade, the best trade possible. You'll buy here and you'll wait to touch the other part. But it's hard. It's ugly pattern. But look at the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are fighting that level. Similar on daily, close above 0.03, and that was the deviation. Just my 2 cents. Now, let's take a look at daily. I think daily it's enough on total 2, total 3. As long as we are above 3 trillion, even if we'll Wyckoff check 2.7, I don't care about it. Even if we'll reach 2.5, I still consider a healthy market. We don't break the structure. If we hold 61.8, we are still in a bull market. Everyone is panicking. Maybe it's a double top if that's it. People, we have Trump for another 4 years. Interest rate is going down. They'll start printing money at some point in time. They don't have another chance. And you are bearish because the market reached the 3 trillion market cap like in 2021. And well, maybe that's it. When we clearly accepted and now we are at support, maybe you'll have a deviation or two, but countries are trying to buy Bitcoin and crypto. United States are making crypto funds. Banks want to buy crypto and they want to advance because they are old. And nobody uses them anymore. They are forced to use banks because otherwise nobody will use a bank. They want to improve when you are bearish on crypto. Sorry, it's just my 2 cents. Okay, we'll have a bear market at some point in time and it will be an ugly one, but not the moment now. Total 3, similar. I think we are still fighting here. You can see 1.190 billion here, 900 billion. So we are fighting 1 trillion. You can see we are fighting this level up and down, up and down. That's my overview, people. I'm still bullish. The lower the market gets, more bullish I become. It's kind of impossible for me to be bearish here. If I'll put the other chart with, let's see if I have the other one. Where are you? This one. Let's go on weekly and I'll show you again my thinking. Well, nothing to hide, people. I'm not here to sell you donuts, to sugarcoat anything. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't care about what you do with your own money. I'm just telling you my opinion. Yeah. So we had the cycle 2016, yeah, halving in 2016, and we made the top after approximately 500 days, which means here, you can see 511 days. Then we had the second halving, and then we had the top approximately at 511 days or maybe 550 days. And now we have 511 days here. That marks the area where I want to see the top. Where we are now is in the middle of the road. So I cannot consider this one a top. We can form a top from this moment until the September, maybe a bit more. But I don't consider this one the top. Every time the top was at 500 days or after 500 days. And now we are at how many days here? Let's see. 300 days and everyone is calling top. How the fuck you get to that, man? Come on. Please tell me. The sentiment? You are not playing sentiments here, people. You are playing with real money. Yeah? Sorry, people. I'm a bit blunt and I'm a bit harsh when I'm when I'm ranting, when I'm telling you my 2 cents. I don't consider this. Even if we come back down here, long reload zone, that will slow down. It's healthy for the long run. Everyone wants super cycle, but they don't want a healthy retracement in the 61.8 and a retest of the all-time high. Well, sorry. If you get the exponential move straight up now, you don't get a super cycle, that's for sure. You want super cycle? Well, you need to suffer a little bit to consolidate that move, so we'll make it stable enough so we can shoot higher. 100k, it's a big number. You don't get to touch this level and straight up. No. We need a base to sustain that move up. I'll be honest, I don't see in the charts nothing to tell me, well, that's the top. And that's it. You have to wait another 4 or 5 years for another bull cycle. I don't see it anywhere. And sentiment of the market is not a reason for me to be bearish or to even consider it. Sentiment is used by me only in one way. When the sentiment is down, as low as possible, I'm buying. When the sentiment is high as possible, I'm thinking if I have something, scanning everything I bought to see if it's something I want to sell. I'm not even thinking to sell in a bull market in a low sentiment. It's impossible for me. Okay, so that's the overview, people. We can look at the altcoins on weekly chart and you'll see what I see every time. Look at it. How you can be bearish here. If you love to sell the bottom, enjoy yourself. Bake will recover or not, anyway, is not an area where you want to sell. It's an area where you want to buy. Just look at it. It's consolidating, is retesting the weekly W from 2023. Nothing bad with that. This one is making new lows. It's just an example. Don't catch falling knives. Wait for a W. What kind of W? How a W looks? Well, look at it. This is the W. This is something you want to watch here. W, breakout, retest, and buy that one. You want to dollar cost average here? Well, then you have some courage and nice for you. Dollar cost average, people, I'll say it how many times I'll have the chance. Even if everyone is bashing dollar cost average is the best way known by us to get the bottom. Everyone wants to get the bottom, but nobody wants to dollar cost average because it's boring. If you want to get the bottom and be like a hero, you have to buy the lows and dollar cost average on it. And there are some tricks there. Don't buy the same amount of coins, buy the same amount of money, a specific date, and that will give you a really nice price. Combo, similar. We took the lows. Who in his right minds will sell this one here? When you can see the rejection, when you can see the market, just look at it. OBV is nice, everything is nice. We broke the lows, we took the liquidity, now at the deviation you are selling. Gas, Alpha, GMT, similar. Tons of altcoins are looking similar. Look at SSV, everyone was bullish. All the influencers are bullish on this one. I don't know, maybe they're right. I saw some smart people saying that this one is a good one. Okay, I trust them. I'm not the best in the fundamental analysis and I don't pretend that. But look at it. This was the low. We swept the low and we are closing above. What do you think is that? How do you think that setup, it's a setup there, how that setup is called? People, I don't want to have 5,000 views. I don't want to have, I don't know, a lot of followers. We have a nice community. My job is to keep it clean and keep it nice and strong. I'll tell you my opinion bluntly, in your face. Because I don't care what you think about me and what, if I'll say you bluntly in the face, you'll not follow me and you'll not give me your money. I don't need your money. Hey, Stefan is here. Say welcome to Stefan. Stefan, good morning. That's your salute. That's the way you should join us. Exactly. So, Stefan has to say good morning. Even if it's middle of the night, doesn't matter. So, that's the thinking here. You want to sell this or you want to buy it? People, remember, I don't like to say I told you so, but we'll fucking come back on this chart. We'll come back on it and I'll tell you, I'll take the live stream. I'll take a snippet from the live stream and show you. I told you here. I told you in your face, this is a buying opportunity. You didn't listen. And you'll ask me where to buy SSV at $35, $40, $50. Sorry. If as an investor you are not buying the lows, the sweep of the lows, why you are here? Everyone wants, give me 50x, give me 100x. What coin I should buy? Okay, buy this one, for example. Could do a 50x, a 10x at least, $110. I think it can. We started at $100. Look at it. You think we can retest that the level? I think we can. I don't know, depending. But to have a chance to sell 100x, there are a lot of things that could happen. You will not be able to hold for 100x. You'll sell too early. I get it. But to even start to have a chance, you have to buy the lows. Just to have a chance. That's the first condition. Then we can work on it. Well, sell half on a double, get in a risk-free position. It's not your money anymore, and you can force yourself to hold as long as possible. But you have to buy here in this area. I could go on the entire list, people. For example, this one. Look at it. Vulcan. You don't know what this project does? Well, go and search it. Search the socials. Search what they are doing, if they are working. What they said last time. What is their message? If they are still active, if they are still working on it, or they abandoned the project. Last time I checked, they said, you think we stayed here the entire bear market to quit at the end? That was the best answer. I love it. Where do you think I bought? I bought here in this area. And sweeping the lows, it's an area where I'll add to my bag. Will go to zero? Well, so be it. And I could go on all of them. Someone said here about a coin. I'll take a look. But I don't think looks different. KuCoin. Nothing. If I'm talking SSV, if I'm talking this one, nothing special. Look at it. In the same fucking area. If you want to dollar cost average, the best level. Look at it. This is even better one. You can see we had a trade here. We made some money. Okay, let's clean it up. I don't need that anymore. This is not a valid long reload zone anymore or a valid fee because we swept the lows. So let's. You can see a power of 3 here. I don't know, Stefan. You tell me, you are the big fan of power of 3. I know why, because it's a damn good setup, but look at it. Let's go on daily. You can see that was the level. Well, even this one, let's put the low. This has multiple levels. And we are closing back above again. We retested the week and we are closing back above. Maybe not exactly the bottom, but it's definitely a good area to dollar cost average at least. So people, I don't know. I didn't heard too many people selling from Crypto Traders Arena. I saw the sentiment on some of you being bearish here. This time is different. Stop thinking too much. Stop putting your emotions out there and look at what all the influencers are saying. They are not smarter than you. They are smarter than you because you are listening to them and they'll take benefit. They'll take advantage of you. Yeah. You'll see them, somehow in a specific way, his address got leaked and you have his address and you should buy what he buys. You are stupid. And I told you multiple times and some of you got burned with that. That's intentional. That's fucking intentional. When you have $5 million or $10 million and you buy a coin with, 100K. Okay? When you buy a coin with 100K and you have, 100K stupid people following you or more that'll buy the same thing after you, what they'll do? They'll push the prices at the double and you'll sell everything, you'll double your money. And they are left with the bags. They'll just be left with the bag. It's the best way to milk the fucking community. And smart people They are falling in that trap over and over again, and I hate it. They are playing a different game, people. If someone is buying with 500k a coin, is not waiting for 100x like you. They are okay with 20% from their investment, and they'll fucking sell. On you put that 20%, buying after him. So please don't be the guy that is following, well, I have his address, so what? It's not a coincidence that you have his address, or he told you what he will buy. Look at them when they are posting. When you see an influencer with 200k, 500k followers, and you see he's shilling something and it's at the top, mark that moment down and look after 1 week and see if it was the local top. And you see it once, twice, 3 times. What the fuck you want more proofs? Come on, be smart. Honestly, I'm kind of tired of explaining. I explained the entire bear market, how they are manipulating you. And I still see it. Andrei is saying something about mana. Mana is finally getting in the area where we should buy. Look at it. Let's put weekly, Andrei. Look at it. I made nice money last time with mana, and I intend to make nice money this time. Yeah. Look at it. Look at the consolidation. Look at the area I drawn. Yeah. You like it? I think you like it. Weekly W's, breakout retest, give me another W, or start dollar cost averaging, Andre. You know the drill. If you have $3, maybe it's time to drag your price down, or average price down, Andre. I don't know. What's your exposure there? I don't get it. I don't know. I don't want to suspect, but if you still have room in your plan, you can start adding mana. I think to buy a piece of land in the central land is still expensive, no? I think they have something there. The entire bear market, they didn't give up. They are still working. They are still, you can do parties and all of the shit in the central land. So I think it's a valid project in my view. Yeah? Same level, like everything else, it's in a buying area. Everything it's at discount, people. Everything it's at discount, almost. And people are not buying. And I posted you, Brian Beamish, the man, the legend, is buying. The best investor ever. Yeah. Even if someone is saying I'm okay with that statement that he got on the wrong way, he's an influencer now. But he's saying the market is for the brave. Yeah? Da Vinci is saying, well, he's suggesting, well, people, if you want to make it, it's kind of time to pay attention. And people are complaining about the sentiment. Exactly, Sebastian, exactly. Exactly, it's exactly what we want. It's exactly what. SFU, the lows, well, what better opportunity to buy something? I don't have enough money, people. I don't want to I decided to take advantage of my reserves only if Bitcoin will go and retest the old all-time high. That means 70k area. Until then, nothing I can do. My bags are full. And I find another solution. I'll take the profit I make every day or day by day in day trading. I calculate how much money I need for my expenses, and the rest I'm investing in coins. Today, TIA, tomorrow something else. I bought a little bit of Bera just to have a bag there. I don't know. Maybe we'll go to $1. I don't care. I'll add a little bit if it will be bearish. I don't care about that. But you get the idea. It's like I have big discounts here and I don't know how to make, how to get money to buy it. Well, people that are so affected by the bearish sentiment, please borrow me some money to buy more shitcoin. I'll do it. Okay, people, that's mana, for example. I talked about TIA. Let's do TIA because seems really nice to me. You remember, people, when we discussed about this one? You remember when here in this area I said, because we need the top here, and I said, well, this is the buying area and this will be a gift. In the top, everyone wants $20. So I said, don't fucking touch it. Don't touch it at $20. And now at $3, nobody wants to buy it. Well, Tia said they'll go to $100. Yeah, but the Dyson said tomorrow. I'm buying Tia here. And if we close the weekly candle above $3 is even better. I don't know how to say it. I saw Andrei saying, well, I'll buy it too. Don't sell your house to buy Tia. It's still a shitcoin, but buy some at $3. Come on. If you don't buy it here, you can call yourself an investor? I don't think you can. Okay, people. And there are many coins like Tia, not only Tia, tons of them. Well, let's take some requests, or let's look a little bit at what news we have this week. The big day is Wednesday, okay? Inflation rate, okay? Core inflation rate. So Wednesday is the big day. Well, we can have a dark Powell candle where we'll set a new direction. Powell will speak again, and so on. So watch out Wednesday. That doesn't mean I'll not buy the dips on weekly chart because Wednesday we have events. No, I will not day trade Wednesday 1 or 2 hours before and 1 or 2 hours after the event. But I'll buy the shit of the sweep of the lows on altcoins. Come on. You are selling your BMW? Well, I'm not selling anything. I'll not get in that situation to sell. I have my reserves. I'm making money from trading. That's a good one. Warning, people. Someone told me today that he got scammed. And for him, maybe it's a big amount. Don't fucking send money on Revolut. Don't send money on other exchanges or anywhere else, people. We have only one fucking address to do all the payments in crypto. When I change that, I announce you. And it's posted in the site. Nobody could post on that fucking channel beside me. That's why I keep that channel. Only I could modify that post. Just go there and see. Is the same address? If it's not, it's a scammer. Okay? Some people got scammed. Same picture, it's full of, when someone is joining Crypto Traders Arena, 3 or 4 people will DM you with the same image and same name and similar name. I know that the guy who got scammed is his fault entirely. He even had some discussion with me before that because he paid us for premium before, and I told him we don't accept any other payments than this address only. You pay here or you don't pay. And he had a discussion. He was just I don't know, too lazy to look at it. But still, he lost some money. So I don't want to see any one of you in that situation. Just I don't know. I'm sorry for people that they get scammed, but we have the welcoming message. Don't get scammed. We don't DM you. We have only one address. Don't do that. Don't do that. If you still fall in the scammer's trap, sorry. I don't know what to tell you. Let's take some requests. So someone is saying here, I sell you a Ripple. Well, I don't know why you should sell the entire quantity of Ripple, Andrei. I'm not selling my Ripple. You can sell some if you want. You probably have a 10x at least, or 5x on your Ripple, but I'm not selling Ripple at this point in time. I sold. I'm in a risk-free position and I'm waiting. Okay. Say and flow. Say and flow, the similar situation. Like let's look at say. Okay, say. We charted this one multiple times. Same swap of the lows. It's a coincidence. Don't buy it here. Buy it at all-time highs, please. Come on, look at it. Blue area, correct area to dollar cost average to buy it. Same advice over and over again. Yeah, don't sell your house to buy some crypto, but it's a buying area. If you intend to buy it, you can start now. Let's not call the top or the bottom or to say, but it's okay to start to buy now. Okay, that's say. You want to look for a setup there? Go on daily power of 3. Maybe you have something. Or daily 3-bar fractal bottom. It's something. There are a lot of ways to skin a cat or to frame a market. The next one was say and let's see, flow. Flow disappointed a little bit, but you can see. Look at it. Just look at it. Same area. We swept the lows of the weekly W. And we are reclaiming that level. Could be a deviation, could be the bottom. Maybe some public, some stupid investors panic sold the bottom and smart investors, a lot of money, had some orders here. That's why you see the rejection. Most probably, people. Most probably. And the guys who bought here, they have a ton of patience. They'll wait and wait and wait. The market will go sideways and will wait until they'll get a nice profit. When everyone who wants to buy to at the highs, they'll say, well, I have some coins bought at the bottom. If you want them, this is the price. It's up to you. If you want to be the guy that's buying now and selling in the hype, or you are the guy that is selling now and buying in the hype. Decide. Similar. Everything looks similar, guys. Bell. You think Bell is something different? I know a lot of you, they have bags from the top and they are waiting underwater. Nothing I can do for you. Well, you can see here. This one is different. Why is different? It's going sideways for years and years and years. Could explode. I'm guessing will explode. Will be another pump and dump like this, but dollar cost averaging here is kind of high. I'll be honest. You can see. Weekly W. Weekly W is pumping. I don't buy things in pump when they are pumping. You had opportunity here. Let's put a classic long reload zone. Okay. Look at it. You had the dump, you had the pump, and you had the market in the long reload zone for weeks, months here. You didn't buy it. Now, chasing here, not for me. Not for me. It's too high. If we'll come back down, well, let's adopt long reload. If we'll come back down in the long reload zone, I'll be more than happy to buy. You said something about Cardano. Yeah. Cardano is my favorite. A lot of high emotions on Cardano from my part. You want to see why we are here? Let me show you. Why I consider we are here on all the other coins. Yeah, look at it. This is March 2020. The deep of the dips. Cardano swept the lows and we closed exactly in that. Stayed 2 or 3 weeks there. I sold more than 50% of my fucking Cardano here. You think I'll do the same mistake again? No, thank you. And we are here on most of the coins. We are in this situation. You will see the market going sideways. You don't trust it. It's lazy. It's not doing it. We'll start pushing. And you'll start to buy here. In this exponential move if you're lucky. If not, you'll buy the top. Look at it. My luck was I didn't sold everything. Just lower my exposure. And I made tons of money when I got, you can see the level. Look at it. I sold close to the top. I sold here. I added a little bit here and I sold here in the top close to $3. I didn't wait it for $3. I knew already $3 is too much. And I sold most of my Cardano in the top. Made some nice money. Nice money. And we are here on other altcoins in the same level. What we have now on Cardano. Let's frame the market. This short reload zone not valid anymore. You are in a long reload zone here. Weekly W's here. It's too high, Andre. It's too high for me to touch it there. Why? I have that EM. That EM is targeting. If I'll take that EM and I'll give you a 1-to-1 from the top to the bottom, you'll see that the market is retesting this level. Let me show you. Okay? So it's impossible. I marked the weekly W. Okay? Now, what I'll do, I'll take the top of the top and the bottom. Okay? Come on. And I'll take this one, I'll copy and I'll post it here. Let's put it from the neckline. Let's say it from the neckline. You can see in this area and this consolidation, Wyckoff check or something, I'll buy it. Here is too high. 69 cents for Cardano, for me, is too much. Okay? You can post, you can put even a house level and take the first level as a target to buy it. So let's put a house short. Ooh, it's all the way down there. I don't think we'll get that one. No. But you get the idea. Weekly W breakout and never retested. That's a problem. At some point in time, from this level, we'll touch. Well, we'll front run this level. I'm not buying there. Give me a weekly W in the long reload zone and I'll change my mind. Until then, this is the first area where I want to buy, Andre. Could pump? Of course he can. I'll buy it here? No, sorry. So that's my idea about Cardano, Andre. I know you have some bags, probably from lower level. Keep them. Cardano, everyone is saying it's a scam, it's not a scam. I don't care if it's a scam or it's not a scam. I'm here to make money from Cardano. Don't do the same mistake like me. So if you have a bag, keep it. I know a lot of traders are saying, well, it's not worth it. Cardano will never do anything. Well, the same people said that Ethereum will go to the all-time high and they'll be to 10K until now. Well, you can see. They are wrong again. So let's respect our plans, Andre, and make some money here. You are old enough in Crypto Traders Arena to trust what we do here. Yeah, and you know that we are not bullshitting anyone. We are not selling illusions. We are not telling stories. We are not milking subscribers for their money. Yeah. We don't accept referrals. We don't accept anything else. If you want to use a referral, okay. Bring your friends here. I'll give you 10% from their subscription. And I'll give your friend 5% off because it's your friend. That's it. No referrals for exchanges, no referrals for any platform, no. Fuck it. It's your responsibility, decision, and I don't fucking care where you trade. I don't want to make money from your fees. I don't want. And I don't allow anyone to make money from your fees. You are here to learn and be part of the Crypto Traders Arena. Get some ideas if you want. Not to trade in a shitty exchange with high leverage and I'll get some of your fees. That wasn't my intention when I made this community. It's pretty clean. And you know my opinion if you are here from. Andre knows it because I even discussed on the phone. Andre is Romanian also, so I discussed on the phone with him when the market was at the lows. When Andre had a portfolio at the lows and he didn't have a hope. Well, what I do with my investments at the lows. And I suggested some things and I think Andre is pretty happy with the decision he made. This is my 2 cents. Okay, people, If you have requests, I'll keep blabbing away about requests. If not, we can close it. I don't enjoy to stay more than 1 hour, but I don't mind. If I'll have requests, I'll keep the live stream open. Someone asked me about super chat. Not active anymore. So for the moment, we never had a super chat. Yeah, we never had a super chat active. I will take your request in order. If I see the request, I'll take it. You don't have to pay me anything. If we'll be in the top of the market and me and Stefan will decide to give you an opportunity, compensate, to, I don't know, to donate, okay, I'll do it. Just more for fun than for something else. But for the moment, people, I don't want to give them the opportunity to compensate anything. Okay, people, if you don't have requests, let's call it a live stream. Yeah? Everything looks similar. I'll answer all the requests. Almost everything looks similar. It's at the lows and it's buyable. You need a plan, you need some money, and then you need some strength to respect the plan. And maybe close the Twitter when the sentiment is bearish. Maybe close the YouTube. And don't look at all the influencer with the open mouth telling you that it's over and at the top telling you to buy. Yeah, Shahir, I'll check Luna. There's nothing different about Luna. Just another shitcoin. Luna, sorry. Another shitcoin testing the lows. Swapping the lows. I think the developers are still working. Not one of my favorites. But if you trust Luna, Anas or Shahir, I don't know how to spell your name, sorry about that. It's an area where you can buy it. Power of 3, I could see it here. If the developers and the community of Luna, they could put the shit together and they can make a decision, they'll start pumping it again. I could see a 10x from here. I could see a lot more from Luna. But it's looking similar with everything else. Nothing special about it. I didn't participate last time in Luna. Now I have some bags. I'll be honest, I have a bit of Luna. I don't have high hopes for it, but if we'll succeed, the risk reward is good enough for me to participate now. Last time, I'll be honest, I didn't lost money on Luna because I was late. I was on TRI with Brian Beamish when they talked about Luna. I didn't like what I saw. I hesitated, the market pumped, and then was too late. And I said, I'll not fucking chase, could go to the moon. I didn't chase, market pushed to the highs. I made some money on the short side, above 100, at the top. I shorted the top on Luna, and the best man that could tell you that is Stefan. Because Stefan was at the beginning then, and I told him, well, you want to make some money? Yeah, okay, short this one and keep the short open. He managed to fuck the trade up. He made 3R on that trade from the top. But that's a different story. It's a funny one. Yeah, I made nice money on Luna on that, on the short side. But now I have a small bag. One was the smallest bag, but I have exposure. That's my disclosure about Luna. Could pump like everything else. I think Luna is 10 times better than any shitcoin launching on Pump Fund, for example. They could put the shit together and start doing something? Yeah, they can. They'll do it? I don't know. Not my job, not my call. I just bought a little bit and I'm waiting. Yeah, no. Stefan was one of the most consistent people I saw learning trading. That's why he's at the level you see him now. Because in 2.5 years, he was with me 12 hours a day. That's why you can see him scalping in 1 minute with me. Sometimes I don't scalp and he's scalping in 1 minute. So in a sense, I could say, well, sometimes he's better than me. But that's the idea. That's why I try to teach him to be better, not worse than me. Now he's taking care of the VIP part. So you can understand how much trust I have in Stefan. If he's taking care of the VIP part. I'm just like a visitor there. Just taking care of the, I don't know, everything to be nice and clean. But Stefan is posting 90%, 99% of the trades in VIP. By the way, people, don't DM Stefan to join VIP. Registration are closed until next month. We are full, 50 people in VIP, no more than that. We'll open for the public next month only if one or some people from February will give up. Will say, wait, we don't want VIP anymore. So we'll have some empty places. Otherwise, no, sorry. We cannot take care of more than 50 people. We can, but I have to participate more, and I don't want that. Stefan, I don't think he wants more than 50 people in VIP for the moment. The pressure is enough for him. We'll see. But that's the plan made for VIP. On premium, you can join if you want. Capua 1 and Capua 2, we still have the late registration opened. Yeah? We don't accept things like that. I love the fact that you find an idea to make some money, but no. We don't accept. So if you want to join to learn how we do things in Capua 1, how we trade, be more than welcome. The price is on the site, it's on Discord. From my perspective, it's damn cheap, almost free, because you get 1 year of premium and you get the Holy Grail and the same money and a program, my time for 4 months. I think you have a good deal, but only 2 places left from 20. The rest are booked. We had the first live stream Friday afternoon. So, but because we are at the beginning, it's easy to recover. So you can watch the recording and you can say, well, I'm up to date. Let's join now and we can work something. But soon enough, probably next week, I'll close it. Well, that being said, people, no requests. I'm blabbing away here for, I have 10 minutes of just telling you about Capua 1. You can, if you want to join, you have the site. It's pretty simple. You have premium, VIP, Capua 1, Capua 2. How to join our Discord. It's everything. The site is in the description of the live stream. Do your own diligence. I love people that they are putting the time and effort to find out something, not to ask me stupid questions. Well, Bookworm, I see you consistent in VIP. I see you staying there the month after month. That means you're happy with what you get in VIP. You are getting better and better month by month. That's the idea, not to stay a lifetime in VIP, to learn and be able after some time to play by yourself. So I love that kind of attitude. Okay, people. Again, repost that tweet so more people will hear about our live stream and ugly rants from Paul J. Don't panic sell the bottom, people, please. Local bottom doesn't matter. You don't want to sell your coins in a bearish environment, bearish sentiment. You want to sell green and greed. Okay? Don't do my mistake. I did the mistake last time and I cannot stand to do it again. I'll be honest, I told you, exactly. The rest is up to you. Not financial advice, 110% your decision what you do with your own money. Okay, people. See you next time. Next time means tomorrow morning in the daily crypto plan because it's open for public. Share this video if you want. Comment if you want to tell us something. I'm checking the comments every time, not the live stream. After the live stream, but unfortunately only scammers in the comments. Yeah, after the recording, you see scammers. It will give you some key phrase. If you are stupid enough, you'll do stupid things. Please don't touch that. Okay, people. Let's call it a live stream. See you tomorrow morning. Sorry if I was a bit harsh, and I'll close with that. Sorry. That's my way of expressing myself. That being said, see you next time. Bye bye.